All right, yes, welcome back. Funky Friday, now with today. And you know, they say all work and no play. They make who? Luchi a very dull gay. But we know what make it dull at all. That's not why we get another casual guest for inside our studio here. They say in this world where there are many talkers and a few action makers, this guy, the category where he inside, is an action taker. The person will get for inside studio here na entrepreneur. That means say in get business idea we boku for inside in head. In a public speaker, networker extraordinaire. Yes, now so they put him. They say this guy hey, they do plenty things with audiences. He's a speaker. Say the way they talk, in the ginger people with him on top personal development, personal achievements. Wealth creation strategies. Yes, how you if you empower yourself, how you first increase the money based on the handwork or based on the talents there what you get for inside your body. Yes, they say they don't make a now very favored speaker, trainer and facilitator. Say they talk to people them for inside the conference hall for marketing businesses so that they go make extra money on top the work where they do, on top that business where they do. In don't Kolobi plenty award though. 2010 in Kolobi the best presenter of the year. Insti Kolobi Model Award for inside the different platforms. Them in the back the award of the award to help other people succeed. It's still apart from all this one way they do, so all this talk way they talk, they work out, they talk. So himself now the principal consultant Tabi, the CEO of Trade Plus Consultant Limited. This one a management consulting firm where they assist people them to gain competitive edge. That means that extra thing we go make them stand out for inside the audience. Say now that thing in the company they do. And they say this one, they help their productivity of people, basically human resources. Now in this man they do. They say they work with other people. They don't share podium with people like Professor Patotomi, Adekunle Sorion, and so many other people. In portfolio, no be small one, but he's happily married. Good to know. He's happily married to the babe of his dreams, or Olutoyin, and they say together they get one picking, and then they stay for inside Las Gidi for Lagos. So I beg, help us welcome on top our own podium of Wazobia TV, Oga Solomon James. So good morning, Oga Solomon.
Thank you very much.
How you did this morning?
Well, I did judge.
All right.
We don't show.
We don't.
I say code yes more. I don't know my body thing.
With the suit we winter in Nigeria.
Winter, the vacation don't finish with
All
that.
right.
All right. You know, say when we they look at your pedigree and the things the way they do, you gonna say you get the passion of people for heart and how to develop yourself and to make yourself the person will carry mouth or the business way they do meditate for Sidawa for grand. But today we treat one of topic where they talk about poverty. For inside Nigeria. And they name us among countries like Bangladesh, China, Democratic Republic of Congo, India. They say the poverty level where they are our country not be here. See, people inside this country, they live under less than $1.25. Say now waiting that they live, how the poverty they wound them per day. Being from looking at all that you do, why do you think say this state? I know go think say Nigeria go there among country they go they mention.
Well, Lolo, thank you. Me, it is waiting day here now. The distribution of the resources where we get, might be the problem here, because when you rate Nigeria in line with India, now slap for our face. We population no reach their own, so we not supposed to stretch. But me think say if waiting we get, say they even they distribute them evenly. Say you collect your own, you collect your own. Everybody at least go feel rise above that $1.50 where they put. It is small because what did they talk so now? Let's say person they earn less than 300 naira.
Like $1.25.
Less than So if you by mistake go break person 2 egg, now trouble don't do so. But I think we need to go back to the basics. And let's know what in the cause this thing. Although every day, based on what they do, they meet many people. People want to go to school, people want to come out. But where the job? The NIS zone in over far is still day fresh for people's mind. As at this week, I think government still talks that they won't even cancel most of those NIS zone where people been die put on top. So again, the number of unemployed people for our society they increase every day.
Yeah.
So I think say each individual themselves supposed to begin to say, okay, you know what? if the government no go take care of me, how I go take care of myself?
Exactly.
When you begin to ask the right question, you will begin to get the right answers. Now, where meetings will begin with that.
Okay, because you know, say now a lot of youths now, even the ones who want to start a business, who want to start something, the number one thing where they always complain of, where according to research, they talk say no be even the cost. They say they don't get money. You feel say money na the most important thing for anybody who want to come out from that poverty mentality level. If you say money na number one thing on top of the matter.
See, when people talk, people don't even money people they talk. People just say capital.
Yes.
And capital, they feel say capital na money.
money.
Social capital day. Your network. I been talk with one person yesterday, and I talk about we just a chat. Now I can't remember one book I've been read a few years ago. Dig your well before you are thirsty. The guy been asked one funny question. He said, if God forbid something happened 2 a.m. for night now, say we broke and we need maybe 10 million to solve something before they break, who be the 5 people where you feel call 2 a.m. we go get that money? He said, if you no fit get 5 people, he said you no get network. But check your phone, you get 2,000 names, your Facebook. But when Kasala boss, nobody show. They say we don't get people. So first of all, you go begin to build a profile, social capital.
Okay.
Now, when you build social capital, remember, say your integrity self na capital.
Oh, yes.
You get people who get talent, who get skill, who get all those things. If they ask money, you no go give them because you no trust them.
Exactly.
You get people who be say they no get the money. Even you yourself, you go borrow money for them. Because say you believe in them and you believe say they don't build their own this thing. So it matters, say make our young people, they carry themselves. No, they look waiting some of our people where the politics they do. Say, okay, now the way to live. They build your own credential. I give you something, you say you go return on tomorrow. If you not return on tomorrow, if you come back next time, this I will give you. And you said that money be the problem. So capital no be the problem. Because like I talked, so we share them into different areas. But first of all, make them make them begin to build themselves, their integrity, build their own circle of network. Then I think we'll figure the other
Wow, very full of wisdom. I just look the mouth. You go no say this person is be waiting in the talk. If you want call us for phone to contribute, of course, feel free to call us and throw away your question our way. We'll go answer them 2778-195, 2777-195, and 2772-195. Me, I want to talk about our young people because now I know say many self-help books done they, many seminar done they. But yet, we still have decadence and degradation of our youth mentality. You go still see youth where they smoke igbo.
Oh, yes.
You go still see youth where no they walk. You go still see youth where they do badness, armed robbery, this, that. Here you they talk say, the knowledge is not spread. Abi, it not stay. Abi, they not use them. Because if it be many things, we go make them. What do you think say be the mentality?
Lord, thank you. That question a very important question. And that is why I like what you do for Wazobia. Because one of the things with me, I think, say the challenge we get, now waiting you portray, now people go take. Interestingly, we get many people where they do like what they do.
Oh, yes.
Feladro Toye, they do.
Yeah.
Diolu Akinyemi, Bengase. So get many people where they inspire young people like that. But what be the percentage of coverage where these people they get? Compared to people where they swag, where they wear their trousers, they drop them for their knee. You see, if you keep showing more of those things, the young people where you want change, now those people now they see more. So if you want change the society or the young people, more of the thing they show them need to change. Not a few weeks ago, now they say, I see the NBC or so banned some kind of song.
Yes.
Is it because as they put those things, they say many people change, but waiting and they hear and waiting and they see, they tell them, say, no, if you look good, you know go get time. You need to do rough, you need to do all those things. So why would they try to push people say, you fit do this thing, the other aspect where they negate this thing, they're higher than the one they do. So we need to create a balance. And that's why media houses and stations like this begin to need to show waiting they portray. Now, if you go back to a place like China, you say China, they censor everything where they show for their television.
But still, they see the people where they talk say poverty, they worry.
China?
Yes.
Yes.
That's it for them.
It did, but you see, if you even as at that, their own still high past their empowerment, still high past our own. All what they happen for Nigeria now around the world now sourcing. They move things go.
Yes.
Where did the current go? Now China.
Yeah.
So imagine say we fit create that kind of environment, the numbers where we did go drop. So we need to. That's why I say what we need to focus on. They say we fit do this, we fit do this. Focus on those and build those people and let them see say them fit do and then go believe. Then they'll begin to work.
Okay, you don't talk about say make we invest in people so that we go get our own social network. And now you don't talk about the kind of things where they put outside for our youth, where they take assimilate and where they try role model into. Now another thing where I know say our youth they lack now knowledge. And this knowledge they come from our reading culture. Over the years, in the last 10 years, the reading culture of youth, it don't they come down. And without knowledge, how you go fit know what to do? How you go know what they happen for about the world? So our reading culture now, why it be say for youth for our country, we like to get spoon fed. If somebody know they tell us the information what we need to know, it they hard because most youths they sabi browse, but for them to go on top internet to go read about certain useful information, not be on top entertainment, not entertainment industry, useful information it they hard for our youth. Why it be say youths like us like to get spoon fed?
The question you go first ask we say. Who they define within the beneficial or not? Because if you feel say something more important for them, now the entertainment they important because now waiting they see, now waiting in the show, now waiting who don't hammer, who they drive the biggest motor and all those things. So how many politicians don't go to they read self, waiting they read. So if those ones feel achieve without reading, then they model and say, maybe the next generation you don't need to read. You feel just slap your way, belong to the right party, belong to this, you go get there. All those things now model. Now, if you say like, let's say take like a place like America, yes, some people when we still get those kind of issues. But you go see say their leaders, they model those reading culture, then be professionals, then they sound, then go engage you for sharp matter. They don't go just come and say, vote for me. Then they go from place to place. They engage the mind of the people. But our own, you know, say, it don't happen like that. When you do that thing, they affect the reading culture. Secondly, how many parents get time to even, because reading, not when crayfish don't dry, now walk on straight time. Now from when it's small, how many of us children, parents, get time to even watch what our children they do? How many times by the time you don't reach house for 10 o'clock, now you won't ask your daughter say which assignment they give you when you would plan to wake up for 4:30. So even we ourselves, we know even they go through the process to be involved in that reading culture. And sometimes, you know, children, they're very, very inquisitive.
Yeah.
So you're coming, hey, mommy, see what they read. You know, we get too busy self. So I beg, you they push them when you're supposed to let them read, make you hear. So that make you know how you feel correct time and things. Even we parents, we did part of the fault.
Wow, wonderful discussion I would get with our guests inside the studio. Let's take it away from our young people. What about the mind of our leaders, our polity? Because the thing where people they see where, now be that one. The thing where people they see where, now our leadership. Do you think that, what can we do? Because some of them don't grow past the level. They don't become dry crayfish. How do we change what we see? Because that is where you see it. When our young people see our senators fighting inside the house, you see them jumping first. You see them lying. You see them not being truthful. You see them in acts of thuggery. And I do not see some of our leaders sitting down to a conference, discussing attitude, discussing their way.
Achievement.
So how can we help that?
I think say you see the people way they talk so now people will say them feel say we don't arrive. So nobody will talk to us. But it's unfortunate we be saying now we vote them in or now we support them in. You know, so when you go leadership thing, you get how we did 2 divides day. Now if you let's take like what just happened the past few months for Nigeria, you go see many people who suppose let's say both spiritual leaders and other, especially spiritual leaders, they're supposed to fit to the talk to these people. But I'm not going to fit talk because I won't make the Malachi enter. So once he enter, what you're supposed to cough out, I not go one cough out. When few persons like, let's say, Father Mbaka talk, it will be issue, okay? So we have that kind of thing, but you make mention of something very important, which is a mindset. Once the mindset of our people no change, nothing will change, because now you fit stay in a place where we say people they do bad thing, but you no do because of your mind. Now let me take for example, me I be a guy. I born there, I grow there, and I go for school for Tolu school complex. Not be now. I'm talking about 20-something years ago. That time we not now my school said be the first school with them fence for Tolu complex. Now just land. If you cross, you go fight for here. Every day we dey fight. But I been get principal where we say the husband a naval guy. So when she show, she dey come with naval people, they drive her up. You know, it creates a kind of a difference.
Yes.
So our mindset, she begin to instill things. If we see her they come, you must enter school before her. Then they fence the school. They begin to do some things. Most of us come they think differently. In fact, to tell you how our own story be, she bring her children to come school for that school.
Oh.
If your children they school for that school, you go want anything to go anyhow. No. Now leadership change. She retired last year, 20 years after many of us go her retirement to go see her. Because she don't change our mind. So when we do where people they gamble, we refuse to gamble. Where we do where people they do some other funny things, we refuse to do. Now because also the people who have been there around us, where they talk about social network, we also begin to help ourselves. Young people, we still get our fault, but we they manage ourselves like that and it work. But when it comes to people at the top, me here, I not going to tell maybe OBJ, say, see what you go do. You get people where you go to listen to. Don't be saying no, they listen to things like this. You go listen, but you get some way to bring and come give and tell and say, oh God, see this people they complain, no, do this, then they feel influence.
If you like, so we'll get a phone call, we'll go from Lagos State.
Good morning,
Good
Ogo.
morning.
Good morning, Lolo.
Good morning.
Good morning, Lucy.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Good morning, my brother.
I beg you, I want to ask the question. I want to start business, but I don't see enough capital to talk. Say, maybe capital in the next year. I don't ask some people, they know please give me. I will say, maybe I want to pay them back if I start business, now food business. Because I have interest in cooking food and be selling like that. Money to go rent a shop. I don't know where to see the money to learn. That's my own problem.
Okay.
All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay.
I know she specify her own saying her food. Now, food business are very good business for Nigeria because nobody will need the job. And you want something where they work every day. But one thing what I tell people is say, every big dream gets small version. Because I want to do food business, I won't start like one of these big brand Mano mentioned and say all this fast food and the rest. No. Waiting you get.
For hand now.
For hand. Yes. Because though you won't start, rice dey your house, pot dey your house, stove dey your house, maggi dey your house, you know the ingredient. So when you say I need money, because if you come meet me now and say you need money, that's the challenge we again what they get. When we say we need money, if you tell them say go write maybe business plan, you don't go see them again. Yes. Because without that thing, I not gonna know you never calculate this one put or how you go take manage this one. They just want what you want money. So if you don't get, they say you don't wicked. So they need to also go and learn if I want to do this thing, when I go break even. Who be my competitors? Waiting, you know those calculations you don't put on. Because if you just gonna say I want money. Because if you say okay, you know big like that, then you start your small one. Again, the gap where we say we go even come office like this, so maybe they do all this chin, and they come. Take one, Lolo, take one. This thing sweet, oh. If you help me get one tomorrow, if you have your business don't start, you never open. You see, sometimes people won't open shop. It is when the thing don't do, you don't plenty for your hand. So you need to grow in phases.
Wow, we say we keep Mr. James here, but we have to let him go. Okay. Thank you very much. Say
Thank you very much.
Wonderful. All right,
so we'll go bring you back another time because I mean
we're going to worry you from time to time because we did about the changing of the mind, and if our people's mind they change, we know say a lot of things go there better inside our country. All right, we'll go back small break now. By the time we will come, we'll still get other things on top of the show where you go enjoy.
If you know say, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.
As we dey carry